पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी के प्लेसमेंट्स का कोई रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं, इसलिए टॉप कंपनीज की फर्स्ट चॉइस। आप तो समझ ही गए होंगे। जॉइन पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, वडोदरा, गुजरात।
Hello everyone, this is Simran Rajpal and you're watching Jagran Josh. The West Bengal Board of Secondary Education or WBBSE is all set to declare the Class 10 Madhyamik Result 2025 on May 2nd at 9 am through an official press conference. The announcement will mark a crucial moment for lakhs of students across the state who appeared for the exams. Although the result will be announced at 9 am, students will be able to access their scores online only from 9:45 am onwards. The official websites to check the result include wbresults.nic.in, wbbse.wb.gov.in and jagranjosh.com/results. Students are advised to keep their admit cards ready to avoid last-minute confusion while checking their scores. To download the provisional mark sheet, students must log in using their roll number and date of birth exactly as printed on their admit card. It's very important to enter these details correctly to avoid login errors or incorrect result display. The distribution of original mark sheets and certificates to schools will begin at 10 am on May 2nd. School authorities can collect them from their respective board camp offices. Students will be able to collect their original documents directly from their schools after this distribution. In addition to official websites, students can also access their results via platforms like jagranjosh.com/results, DigiLocker and SMS. This provides multiple options to ensure that students can check their results even if one platform faces technical issues due to high traffic. Students can also check their Madhyamik Result 2025 through SMS. Simply type WB10 followed by a space and your roll number and send it to 56070 or 56263. After sending this message, you will receive your detailed result directly on your mobile number. After downloading the online mark sheet, students carefully verify key details such as their name, roll number, date of birth, subject-wise marks, total marks, division and qualifying status. Any discrepancies should be reported to the school or board immediately. To successfully pass the WB Madhyamik examination, students must secure a minimum of 33% marks in each subject as well as overall. Failing to meet this threshold in even one subject will require the students to appear for the compartment examination. The grading system for the Madhyamik Result 2025 is as follows. Students scoring between 90 and 100 marks will receive an AA grade marked as outstanding. 80 to 89 marks will receive an A+ or excellent. 60 to 79 is graded A or very good and so on. Down to D for those students who score below 25 and are marked disqualified. Once the Madhyamik result is declared, students can plan their next academic step by choosing one of the 3 streams for class 11, science, commerce or arts, based on their interests, marks and career goals. They should seek guidance from teachers and parents before marking this important decision. If any student feels their marks do not reflect their performance, they can apply for re-evaluation through their respective schools. The application form along with the required fee must be submitted before the deadline, which will be announced soon after the results declaration. Students who fail in 1 or 2 subjects will get another chance by appearing for the compartment exam, expected to be held in July 2025. The results for compartment exams are likely to be declared by August 2025. Application forms for the compartment exam must be submitted through schools along with the prescribed fee. Now, we wish all the students appearing for the West Bengal Madhyamik Result 2025 the very best of luck. May your hard work and efforts bring you the success and happiness in this important milestones of your academic journey. Keep watching Jagrat Josh. Thank you for watching.